Hi, kindergartners. We're so excited to count with you today. All right, everybody. I'm going to have my collection still and some scary, spooky items from my collection. Maybe you have a collection you want to get out. And I'm going to get out my whiteboard and my whiteboard marker. Make sure we always have the cap put on the back. All right, so I'm going to give a problem and you're going to help me figure it out, okay? I had two slithering, spooky orange snakes. They went into the forest one day. All of a sudden, some spiders and a cricket, some insects came along and joined them. They went to a special forest gathering. How many do I have in all? So you're going to write something plus, that means we're adding or joining, something equals how many altogether. So this is what you're going to put on your board for our equations today. So you're going to put 2 orange snakes plus 1, 2, 3, 4 insects equals 6 critters in the forest. I had 3 green crickets and 2 scorpions. This is a part and this is the other part. If I join them together, how many do I have in all? What plus what equals what? 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful. If we wanted to write a number bond with this, we would put 5 at the top. And then our parts are a 3 and a 2. Awesome. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 skeletons, and one bat flew by and joined them. Can you give me an equation of how many skeletons plus how many bats equals how many creatures all together? So what plus what equals what? Well, I have 5 skeletons and 1 bat. Can I show that on my fingers? 5 plus 1 more is 6. Beautiful. And I could show it on my Rick and Rack too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 was my first part, and 1 was my next part. Now I have 2 pumpkins and 1, 2, 3, 4 insects. How many in all do I have? 2. A part is 2, and another part is 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 4 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And when I get the answer to something where I added something together, guess what? This is called the sum. The sum. The sum is the answer of 2 parts coming together. Here's a number bond for it. I have 2 pumpkins and 4 insects. I push them together and my whole number is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you draw out a story? Let's say we had 6 little spiders. You don't have to draw all their legs. 6 little spiders and 2 big spiders. Oh. How many spiders do we have all together? Well, let's see. We have 6 here, plus 1, 2, equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or I could have counted on. I already knew that was 6, and then I go 7, 8, like we talked about before, counting on. Can you make up your very own story now, using the part plus part equals whole number sentence structure? Go ahead and try it. You can even get out one of your writer's workshop pieces of paper and make a story up on there. Thanks so much for joining us for counting today. That was a lot of fun. All right, give yourself a big hug and say, I'm an awesome mathematician. Right, Mabel? Yeah, you are all awesome. Have a good one.